Alright, with this video I'm going to show you how to constrain and create our ramp subassembly. So our starting point again is going to be constrain, and we are going to mate this inside face of our ramp side to this side of my ramp. Okay, I hit apply, the pieces come together. Okay, next is going to be flush. So what I'm going to do is flush the back of the ramp to the back of the ramp side and apply. And now I'm going to flush the bottom of the ramp to the bottom of the ramp side and apply. For the next part, I'm going to do the same thing I just did before, just to this other side. And that is our finished ramp assembly.